Alright, you're welcome. Max Williams, good morning. Alright guys, you're joining us for the first time, you're welcome. You are welcome to this live. Welcome to today's live, guys. Wow, BTC also was a massive move down. Rashidat Abe, welcome, good morning. Guys, drop where you're chatting from this morning. Drop where you're chatting from, guys. Drop where you're chatting from, guys. Good morning. V75, good morning. Where are you chatting from? Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Rashida, thank you for liking the live. Edo State, you're welcome. I'm streaming from Lagos. Welcome, guys. Kind, you're welcome. Where are you chatting from? Where are you chatting from? Let's know where you're chatting from. Drop it in the comment section. You're welcome. You're welcome. Prince David Perry, tell us where you're chatting from. Thank you so much for liking the live. Thank you so much for liking the live. Thank you so much for liking the live. Guys, you can see how BTC dropped. Our yesterday's signal for BTC drop was huge. Thank you for joining the live. Perry, where are you chatting from? Drop it in the comment section. You're welcome, guys. You are welcome. You're welcome, you're welcome. Perry, Lagos. Oh, welcome. I'm also chatting from Lagos. I'm also streaming from Lagos, rather. Welcome to this live. Ego Japan, where are you chatting from? You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. CJ, where are you chatting from? Drop it in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section, guys. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Guys, you know how we do it here. This is the best place to get live VIP signals in Forex. We run live analysis also. Which pair is this? This is gold. This is gold actually. This is gold. Perry. This is gold. Alright, welcome guys. Keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. Guys, if you enjoyed the signal yesterday, the sell signal on gold yesterday, keep tapping that like button, guys. Keep tapping that like button. It was a massive sell, a huge sell. We took this trade. We took this trade. It was a massive sell. Let me know if you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it. About 40 pips. Ifeko, you're welcome. Ifeko, did you take this trade on gold? This sell? Did you take this sell on gold? We had analysis on BTC, we had analysis on gold, and both went well. Guys, you know how we do it here. We drop live VIP signals. We drop live signals, premium signals here during our live, and then we do live mentorship. Okay, so if you are here, you would want to begin your Forex journey the proper way, then you're in the right place, guys. You're in the right place. Thank you for hitting that like button. Thank you for hitting that like button. Guys, keep tapping that like button, guys. You're welcome. Still in the introduction time. Please drop in the comment section where you're chatting from. You know, we are all here to learn. We are all here to get signals. We are all here to analyze the market. So it's also nice if we drop where we are chatting from, just for a little connection. I am chatting from Lagos, guys. I am streaming from Lagos. So you're welcome, guys. You're welcome, everyone. You're welcome, guys. Guys, keep tapping that like button. So we can get more views. Keep tapping that like button so we can get more views. Thank you so much, guys. Let me check what we have on. Alright, so I can easily adjust this one so it doesn't obstruct us too much. Gold really did a very, very huge sell yesterday. Gold was, man, I'm sure that please, if you did not enjoy gold yesterday, I don't know what I'm gonna say, because I dropped that signal yesterday. I dropped the first entry, I dropped the second entry, and then we took trade. I also dropped a signal on BTC, and that also dropped. It dropped like dominoes, guys. Yeah, so that's how we do it here. Every morning, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. we are here analyzing the market. We drop VIP signals here, and then we do live mentorship. So if you are interested in trading Forex for a start, this is the right place for you. So hit that follow button. You know how we do it here. Hit that follow button. Follow me so that when I'm live, you see it that I'm live, and then we trade together. I drop analysis, and it's awesome. It's awesome, guys. It's awesome. Look at USDs are just heading up, heading up so strong. Heading up so strong. USD South African Rand. I want to see where USD South African Rand is at 17.47905. That's where it closed. But that's not bad. That's not bad. This daily candle here is giving us that information of, hey, we might start retracement, so start watching your back. You know, that kind of thing, guys. Yeah, that's just it. Young Rich Le Binion, you're welcome. Where are you chatting from? Let us know in the comment section, guys. Introduction time. You're welcome. Let us know where you're chatting from. Drop it in the comment section, guys. It's awesome. So in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to be running our analysis on all the currency pairs that we traded yesterday. So I will explain why we entered the trade and how we were able to make profit. And I'll be explaining personally how I was able to take the trade successfully. So be here, guys. Be here with me. Be here with me. You guys seems to be early risers, waking up so early, already beginning work. That's really huge. You're welcome, guys. Guys, if you're joining for the first time, you know how we do it here. We drop live VIP signals. We drop VIP signals. We drop mentorship here. So if you are here, you have any questions, if you are here, you have any currency pairs you're analyzing right now, and you want me to analyze it for you, drop it in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section. I am more than happy to answer you. Yes. I am more than happy to answer you. Alright. Oh, Ifeko, thank you so much, Ifeko. But it was too shady. Ifeko, did you say gold was too shady? Perry, do you do management, account management? No, I don't do account management. I love my account so much. Anything that my account is giving me, so it's okay for me. So no account management. No, please. The best thing you can do for yourself is either go and buy stocks, or what do you call it? Those people who what kind of trade is it called? Copy trading. Yes, copy trading. But account management, guy, please, if you like your money, please don't, except you have something to risk, except the amount you want to risk is not not that huge. You're not going to feel it, you just want to try. Yeah, no problem. That's just it. But aside from that, I wouldn't advise you to look for anybody and give them money for account management. Yes, it is a rumor, but honestly, one of the most influential forex person, I think in Lagos here, collected collected money for, I think, VIP signals. That's why, honestly, guys, one of the best things I can do here is analyze my charts, so you see what I am looking at in the market. You see how I'm going to enter the market. I execute it also in my account. Alright, live, nothing shady. So with that, you know that it's a live signal, so nothing shady at all. Harris, you're welcome. Tell us where you are chatting from. So Perry, if you are listening, I would advise you against account management. If you want to grow your money or you want to grow your portfolio, the best thing you can still do is copy trading, or invest in stocks, bonds, and stuff like that. All right, investing. See, trading, there are some people that can actually consistently move equity in a month, 2 weeks, and so. All right, but moving equities like that has its own downside, and if you're not ready to take that downside, I wouldn't advise you to go and do management. Don't give somebody your account to manage. Guys, I still remember when I was starting off for trading, and there's this South African guy. Guys, and this South African guy came to my DM. So it was around that time when derivative was still called binary trading. So let me drop this one, guys, on the screen. Welcome, guys. Where are you chatting from? So guys, you're welcome. Drop where you're chatting from in the comment section, guys. We have a lot of huge information today, so you can't afford to miss it. Sir True, you're welcome. Good morning. Did you take the trade yesterday? Did you trade that gold yesterday? Sir True, good morning. Please, I have entered sell on gold due to 30 minutes confirmation. Am I safe? Yes, I did. Or should I close? Okay, so before I go to analyze it and check what is going on, Sir True, can you tell me when you analyze the trade? When did you analyze the trade? Can you tell me what time? How many minutes ago? How many hours ago? Can you drop it in the comment section? Yeah, thank you for liking the live. Guys, if you are joining us for the first time, you know how we do it here. We're going to be dropping live VIP signals on gold and other currency pairs, live mentorship. I'm going to be dropping analysis here also. New traders, we are going to help you grow as a trader. We're going to teach you how to grow as a trader. So you're welcome, guys. This is the right place for you. So hit that follow button. Right now. The last bearish candle on 30 minutes So that was where you did your analysis. Now, before I go to the gold chart, Satril, before I go to the gold chart, I want to tell you something. No matter, now you've done your analysis for 30 minutes, that's 30 minutes ago. I am just joining the live maybe about 20 minutes ago. Sometimes you must have been in the live since you must have been analyzed your market since like yesterday. And then maybe because somebody is on live or somebody you trust, somebody you feel like, oh, this guy is good, you now like, hey, what's up, can you check this analysis? And then when the guy comes back and tell you that, oh, I think it is against your signal, then you start being afraid. No. Except before you enter your trade, you either did a FOMO, or you did not see confirmation, or you force trade. So far you see confidence in what you are trading. Alright, whatever I'm going to say, whatever I'm going to tell you, be confident with it. Whatever I'm going to tell you now, alright, let it just be an information by the side. But your own analysis, be 100% confident with it. Make sure that you see your analysis to either TP, break even, or stop loss, no matter what. And then don't blame yourself. So let's go down to gold, guys. Let's go down to gold. Let's see what Satril is looking at here. Guys, if you are joining for the first time, you know how we do it. Hit that follow button. Live mentorship, live analysis. Satril, I'm happy to know you. I am so honored. Thank you so much. Alright, thank you so much. So from now henceforth, if you anywhere you go to, somebody's analyzing, and then you just say, oh, what is going on in this market, and you are in that trade, do not let any of their information convince you otherwise. I tell you. Let me just ask you. Let's say for example, you were asking somebody online, and then the person explained to you very well. Let's say it was a sell. You are in a sell. I'm giving you an example now. You are in a sell on GPP, JPY, and then you just came on live and you asked somebody that, please check this trade, and then the person explained it to you the way you understand that, oh, it is no longer in a buy, it is in a sell, and you saw it, and then you close your trade, you took a sell opposite trade because of what the person said. Now it now eventually went to a buy, all right, for no reason at all. It went to a buy for no reason at all. Even the person that is on live could not explain it. Number one, you are going to start regretting that, why didn't I just leave my trade, let it go. Number two, now you have made two loss, because you have closed your original trading loss, you went back again and took the second loss. You have messed up your emotion. But let me say, for example, I am seeing a buy, you are on a sell. If it then eventually goes to a buy, you are going to only have one thing in your mind. You are going to tell yourself that, well, I think, my analysis was wrong. Alright? You might be telling yourself that I should have followed him, but you will have that confidence that, yes, I did this analysis myself. Alright? So now let's check gold real quick, guys. Let's check gold. If you are joining us for the first time, you are welcome. You know how we do it here. We drop live signals on gold and other currency pairs. We run live analysis. So this is the daily on gold right now. So gold is giving us a very strong support at 39.30. Honestly, I don't know why. Yes, Perry, are you analyzing gold now? Yes, I am analyzing gold. I have not done top-down analysis. Alright, Perry. What I'm trying to do now is, based on request, somebody in the comment section, Satril, wants me to explain what he is looking at in the market. All right, so I just want to quickly do that. We are going to have introduction, then I want to explain the trades we took yesterday that went in profit and went on full TP, explain why those trades went in profit. Then we are going to do our top down analysis for the day. So hit that follow button, guys. Please keep tapping that like button. I really do appreciate. All right, so we are looking at the an analysis from gold on the daily. We can see that gold is rejecting 39.30 on the daily, so that's okay. Let's go down to 4 hours and see the market structure we have. Obviously, we had a downtrend from the 4 hours. All right, we had a downtrend from the 4 hours. Good, no problem. Cool. Now let's go down to 1 hour, see what we have. Now under 1 hour here, there was a resistance here. Let me quickly delete this to avoid being messy. Delete this. So there is this resistance here under 1 hour, which slightly broke. All right, which slightly broke. And if you remember, this was our trade from yesterday. Look at it, guys. Exactly what happened. Slightly broke, you can see, and then started to pour like dominoes. Started to pour down like dominoes. So look at it. That was from yesterday. All right, exactly the trade we took yesterday. So price slightly broke. You can see that under 1 hour, and then we have the next 1 hour reject back into that zone. This 1 hour here, guys. You can see that. So rejecting back to that zone now. All right, let's head down to the smaller time frame. Guys, please keep tapping that like, so that a lot of people are going to see us. All right, so if you head down to 30 minutes now, we have this huge candle coming up, and the beauty of this candle here now is this candle rejected back into that zone, and it rejected so well. All right, so let me place my resistance here, which was broken and then rejected. So this is a fake out, guys. This is a fake out. This right here is a fake out. All right, now the question is, how do I enter this sell? Because obviously now it is a sell forming up. It is a sell formation coming up. All right, how do I enter this sell? All right, now if you remember how we entered the sell yesterday, I waited for this candle to break its own low for us to be sure that it is time for market to sell. But you can see this candle did not break its own low. All right, you can see that this bullish candle is also weak. All right, this bullish candle is also weak here. So what we are seeing now is buyers are still trying to push the market. Like crazy. Like they want to, break 39.72 resistance. All right, so if it is not possible to break 39.72, this is what you are going to expect. You see this candle that is forming here, this particular candle here is going to print bearish, and it's going to break this support here. It's going to break this support right here, and once this support is broken, all right, break and close by 8, guys, we are going in for a sell. All right, we are going in for a sell. So back to your question, Sir Trill, let me see your question again. Back to your question, please. I have entered this sell on gold due to 30 minutes confirmation. So Sir Perry, Sir Trill, your confirmation is valid. All right, your confirmation is valid, but the only difference in what you should have done is you should have waited a little bit more. All right, you should have waited a little bit more for price to break the support of that previous candle and keep falling. All right, but if you ask me if you can still hold, If you can still hold this trade, put your stop loss here. So let me show you how you are supposed to enter this trade. Or if you are in this trade already, let's say you are in this trade around let's say here. So you are going to put your stop loss here at 39.79. Put your stop loss here 39.79 and then let it ride down. All right. Uncanny, you're welcome guys, you're welcome. Satril, I've closed in profit. All right, so please, if you enter the trade, take off fear from your mind. Be bold, be confident with what you are doing. Be confident with what you are doing. And when you are confident with what you are doing, make sure you apply proper risk management. That is all. Guys, if you are joining us for the first time, you know how we do it here. Live VIP signals. Alright, we drop live VIP signals, guys. Live forex analysis. We analyze the market. So if you are joining for the first time, this is the right place for you. If you are a newbie and then you want to learn how to trade forex, this is the right place for you. Hit that follow button right now. All right, guys, you know how we do it. Please set that like on fire. Keep tapping that like. Thank you so much, guys. Keep tapping that like. Thank you so much, guys. So if you are a newbie, if you are new to forex, guys, please, I'm going to be dropping a content for you here on how you can start your forex journey for free. Legit, for free, no hassle, no headache. All right, me alone, I just followed. Thank you so much. This is the right place for you. We are going to be dropping signals, guys. You know how we do it. We drop signals, we drop live mentorship, and then we analyze the market. So if you have any currency pairs you want me to analyze, please just write them down. Soon I'm going to be requesting for them. Drop them in the comment section. I'm going to analyze that for you. So guys, let's quickly go to BTC. Someone asked me to analyze BTC yesterday and it was huge. That sell was huge, guys. That sell was huge on BTC yesterday. The analysis was from here, guys. Yes, I remember. The analysis was here, guys. Yes. So it was a huge sell. Alright, it was a huge sell. Whoever enjoyed BTC sell yesterday, please tap that like button. And make sure you follow me. Because every day, every morning, I'm going to be dropping such analysis, guys. So it was an awesome experience. Alright, So guys, let's go back to our gold chart. Yesterday. Let's go back to our gold sales. The sell we took yesterday, guys, if you still remember. Let's go back to our gold sell and check through what we have. Alright. So if you are joining us for the first time, hit that follow button, guys. Hit that follow button. You know how we do it here. We drop live signals. So you are welcome. Hit that follow button, guys. Hit that follow button. Hit that like button, guys. Please, if you took gold signal yesterday, signifying the let me know in the comment section, guys. If you took that gold signal yesterday, let me know. We want to analyze that yesterday gold sales now. Me alone. Are you profitable on gold yesterday? Of course we did. It was a huge sell. Oh, sir, true. You took it, but you closed early. Oh, come on. I already told you. Even if you are afraid to take the trade fully, just close some percentage. All right, guys. Gold is giving us an entry here. Guys. But this entry is tricky. All right, this entry is very tricky. I have seen this happen before on gold, and then I want to show you guys how we are going to take this trade. All right, so someone actually took this trade but left early. So guys, we are going to be taking this trade, but let us wait. All right, guys. All right, set your alert, everybody. Set your alert, and then wait for gold to break this tiny support here. Just this tiny support, guys. Wait for gold to break this tiny support. Once that tiny support is broken, guys, honestly, I'm telling you, it's going to be a huge downpour. All right, so this is the analysis, guys. This is the analysis. So let me open up my MT. I want to open up my MT too. All right, so we are looking at gold now. Let's see if gold is going to give us an extension of that sell. Let's see if gold is going to give us an extension of that sell from yesterday. So we are waiting right here. Please, it comes with confidence. Trading comes with confidence. All right, so let me drop the signal here. Gold signal. Our entry is going to be 39.62. 39.62.74. SL 39.79.96. TP at 39.37.06. Guys, please drop your question in the comment section, guys. Please, it's all about confidence. It's all about confidence, guys. It's all about confidence. It's all about confidence. I have $15 in my account. Can I take it? Please, if you have any equity that is less than $300, please don't take trades on gold. Alright, for my personal advice, don't take trade on gold, please. Don't take trades on gold. Don't take trades on gold. Don't take trades on gold, please. So guys, do you see why I said we should be patient? Guys, do you see why I said we should be patient? Alright? Do you see why I said patience is the key? Perry, I can't take it now. Like, how much can I fund to start? In my previous live, I explained how it is easier for you to use the instant funding account. All right, instant funding account. So if you don't have much capital, you have something like $60 to spare, I would advise you to go for instant funding accounts, which is going to, I think $60 is going to give you $2,000. $2,000, yes. So I'm waiting for this market. Let's see what is going to happen. So if it happens like that, then we go in for ourselves. Then I can explain what I'm looking at in the market, guys. So the trade is about to initiate right now, guys. The trade is about to initiate right now. The trade is about to initiate right now. Let's see what it's going to give us, guys. Let's see what it's going to give us. I'm going to explain instant funding accounts in a few minutes, guys. I'm going to explain instant funding accounts in a few minutes. But guys, please, if you want to take this trade right now, hold on for a few. We are about to enter this trade, guys. We are about to take an entry on this trade, guys. We are about to take an entry on this trade. We are about to take a sell entry on this trade, guys. Guys, if you are joining us for the first time, this is how we do it. This is how we do it. We drop live analysis here. We drop live analysis here, guys. Every morning, I'm always here, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. We drop live signals. All right, live signals, guys. We drop live signals. Satril FX. Are we waiting till 30 minutes close? Now, if you pay attention to the previous 30 minutes, Satril FX, pay attention to the previous 30 minutes. Can you see that previous 30 minutes closed bearish, and in fact it closed a rejection? All right, it closed a rejection. Ifeko Francis, thank you so much. Wow, I'm really honored. Honestly, I'm really honored. Thank you so much. So if you look at this previous 30 minutes candle, this one right here, all right, you are going to see that this previous 30 minutes candle closed bearish with rejection. All right, this is an entry on its own. This is an entry on its own, but we have a minor support here. We have a minor support here at 39.64, which is actually giving this gold difficulty to sell. All right, so what I am waiting for right now, I'm waiting for gold to break it. All right, it might still be moving, but I want it to be broken properly, falling down, then we take the trade. All right, there is already a confirmation for entry, guys, but I am now being very careful to make sure that our entry is legit. All right, because we have a minor support here. This is the only thing holding gold right now. This is the only support holding gold from making a sell. So let's see if it's going to break this support, then we take in for sales. Thank you, guys. Keep hitting that like button. Please keep hitting that like button, guys. If you are joining us for the first time, you know how we do it. We are about to drop live signals. We are about to drop live signals right now, and I explained how this analysis came to be. All right, I explained how this analysis came to be. So if you are just joining right now, get set for the signal. We have not entered yet, but these are the signal parameters, guys. These are the signal parameters. Our entry level, our stop loss, our take profit, and then apply proper risk management. do not go more than 2%. Guys, keep hitting that like button, guys. If you are joining us for the first time, this is the right place for you. Hit that follow button right now, because this is the right place for you. For we drop VIP signals every morning. I'm always here 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. every morning, so you need to hit that follow button to follow me. If you want mentorship, I do it here every morning. Mentorship on forex, mentorship on trading, I do it here every morning. So you need to hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button and follow me up right now. Thank you so much. Keep tapping that like button. Engineer Nakowa, what time frame is this, boss? This is the 30 minutes time frame, which is my entry time frame. Alright, this is the 30 minutes time frame, which is my entry time frame. Guys, if you're a newbie trader here, you are confused about trading, drop it in the comment section. Because later on in this live, I'm going to be explaining in details, guys, how you are going to start your forex journey. Ifeko Francis, me wey don dey follow you since yesterday. Yeah, my man, I really appreciate you, man. A brother helping brother. You are a real brother, man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. So guys, if you are joining for the first time, please keep tapping that like button and hit that follow button. We are waiting for a signal sell on gold. Let's see what it's going to give us. We are waiting for a signal sell on gold. So guys, you can't afford to miss our live here every morning. Hit that follow button. Engineer Nakowa, I dey follow now sharp. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. So we're actually waiting to see what gold is going to give us here. The next 15 minutes now is supposed to start coming down. Right now. So, but let's wait and watch. This is where gold, this is where the forex market differentiates a real trader from an experienced trader. Alright, listen to what I just said. This is where gold will differentiate a real trader from an experienced trader. Alright, so there's a difference between being a real trader. There's another difference between being an experienced trader. Alois, I need a beginner guide, please. Alois, you are welcome. Thank you for following. Please just be on this live. I'm going to explain it. I'm going to explain how you are going to start your forex journey for free, and it's going to help you so much. Alright, it's going to help you so much because most of the mistakes that we traders did when we started, which cost us years of wasted efforts, we are not going to do it. Okay, so just hang on in this live. Keep tapping that like button for me, please. Hit that follow button, and I'm going to be explaining everything in details. Guys, are you seeing what gold is doing? Alright, you see why patience is the key. Patience, guys, is the key. Alright, you just have to make sure that you are sitting pretty. You are not trying to force the market. Alright, you are not trying to see let's keep jumping. Let's jump. No. Don't jump in anyhow, guys. Don't jump in anyhow. Alright, so guys, please, if you are a beginner, feel free to drop it in the comment section, guys. Drop it in the comment section. Don't be shy. Drop it in the comment section. Hit that follow button. I'm going to be dropping everything you need to know as a beginner. Alright, I'm going to be showing you where you are going to start your course absolutely for free. Alright, it's going to save you a lot of time and effort. Alright, so if you want to be a profitable trader, if you want to be a good trader, you want to learn forex free of charge, alright, I'm going to be dropping a university very soon, which you are going to join. Thank you so much, guys. Hit that follow button. If you are joining us for the first time, hit that follow button. Hit that like button, guys. Set that like button on fire. Thank you so much. Norman 73. Look at Alta Coin on mex.com. Alta Coin on mex.com. Okay, that sounds interesting. I've heard about mex.com. Normal, do I need to register? Do I need to register on mex.com before I can analyze Alta? Guys, thank you for liking that live. Please keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. Thank you so much. Guys, this live is not just for new beginners and signals also. If you have been in Forex for 6 months, 3 months, 1 year, 2 years, and then you are having challenges and difficulties, you don't know what to do, ask your question in the comment section, guys. This is an interactive session. This is an interactive place. Don't be shy. Alright? We are all here with one goal. We want to know how to make money. We want to know how to be consistent in Forex. So if you have any question, if you have anything that is disturbing your mind, drop it in the comment section. Alright? Drop it in the comment section. Anything about Forex, I have the experience. I have the mentorship capability to explain it to you. So guys, hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button because it's going to be massive. So if you're a new trader, if you're a beginner and you want to learn how to trade Forex, shortly I'm going to be giving you the step guidelines of how to join a university, not my university please, a university free of charge, where you are going to learn Forex from A to Z. They're going to teach you like a baby, A to Z. You're going to learn it so well. Alright, it's going to be awesome. Guys, hit that follow button right now. Elvis Peters. I have been trying to grab a working strategy over the last couple of months. Alright, so Elvis Peters, I understand that you have been let's say you have been going from one strategy to the other, seeing the one that is profitable. You have been learning Forex. Now I have 2 questions for you, Elvis Peters, and I want you to reply in the comment section. The question 1 is, have you fully learned Forex? Alright, have you fully learned everything about Forex? Alright, question 2 is, which of the strategies have you tried and you sat down and you read it properly? Drop your answer in the comment section. Guys, hit that follow button if you are just joining for the first time. This is the best place for you in terms of Forex signals, live mentorship. This is the best place for you. You are welcome, guys. If Unaya Chuku Kekime, I'm a new trader, I want to enter into Forex. Okay, alright, so you're a new trader. Very soon, because we are about to take a trade right now, so we are observing what the market is doing. We're about to take a trade. So once we are in the trade, or once we see that the trade is not going in our direction, I'm going to explain to you how you are going to begin your Forex journey. All the mistakes that I have made, all the mistakes that other Forex traders have made, that has wasted them years of wasted effort, you are not going to make that mistake. So hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button and follow me, because I'm going to be dropping all those content right here. All the content. So you're welcome, guys. Thank you for liking that live. Thank you for hitting that live. Whoever is hitting that live, God bless you. I really appreciate. Ifeko Francis, I think gold is targeting 38.86 under 4 hours. Let me go to 4 hours and see what you see. 38.86, 3886, 3886. All right, let's see what we have under 3886. 3886. Okay. Oh yes. There is actually a support there. Yeah, there's a support there. But guys, you know gold can do and undo. Gold is the respecter of no man. Alright, gold can do and undo. So guys, our trade is about to hit an entry. Let's observe again. I'm just waiting, guys. Let's just let's give it the next 8 minutes. All right, because the next 30 minutes candle is going to close in the next 8 minutes. Let's give it the next 8 minutes for our entry, guys. All right, so let's be confident. Don't let us rush the market. If it moves too fast and it leaves us, fine, we'll come back tomorrow and then we'll trade again. All right, but do not let us rush into this market. All right, that's the thing. That's what I want us not to do. All right, let's be so confident that it gets to our entry, guys. Let's be so confident that we wait and it gets to our entry. All right. I swear, gold has no respect. Ifeko Francis, that is it. Gold can do you anyhow. All right, so it takes time. It takes time to master the art of patience. All right, it takes time to master the art of patience. You have to be patient with gold. You have to be patient. All right, and then proper risk management is the best thing for you to do on gold. Once you learn how to properly manage your risk, risking nothing more than 2% per capital, 2% on your capital, you are going to be confident, guys. That is just the truth. You are going to be confident. So even if the trade goes against you, you just be like, yeah, it's fine. It happens. It happens. All right. So and then your confidence is going to be there, guys. If you are joining for the first time, hit that follow button. Hit that follow button. We are about to take a signal right now, because this is where we get our VIP signals. All right, if you want to get your VIP signals, this is the right place. All right, so hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button, guys. Keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. Our gold is cooking. Keep tapping that like button. Our gold is cooking here, guys. Let's wait. Our gold is cooking, guys. Guys, if you have questions, keep dropping them in the comment section, guys. This is an interactive session right now. All right, this is a live mentorship session, guys. This is a live mentorship section. All right, so feel free to drop your question. If you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, you want to ask any question, don't be shy. All right, don't be shy. I was once a beginner too, so keep dropping, guys. I am too emotional and God is using it against me. Ifeko Francis. Can I tell you something? The most emotional traders are one of the most successful traders. Can I tell you why? Now you know your weakness. Most people don't know their weakness. But now you know your weakness. All you just have to do is work on that weakness. You know you are emotional. Just start asking yourself, when do you start making mistakes? When do you start getting emotional? All right, write it down. That's why we call journaling, guys. Most people used to think that journaling is only about writing yourself, telling yourself that, oh, gold did not buy today. What happened? You don't explain what happens in the market. I want to show you something, guys. I want to show you something, guys. Here is my journal. Here is my journal for the past, I think, about 6 months ago or so. Here is my journal. The way I journal my trades. Yes. So, I have like a long sheet where I write my journals. Alright? Every trade I'm about to take, I'm going to analyze, and then I'm going to print it out. I have a little printer at home. I'll print it out. I'll write the reason why I want to analyze it. And then, guys, at the bottom here is where I write how I feel. Alright, I write how I feel. Look at this. It was a disaster. Alright, that was what happened during that trade. Alright, so and I will now explain how I felt emotionally. Alright, the reasons why I took it, and then what I should stop doing in the next trade. Alright, so see it here, guys. Every day I journal it. Every day I journal it. Every day I attach it on the sheet. Every single day. Alright, every single day, guys. Every single day. Alright, you can see that. Every single day. All right, this was one of my best trades. This was one of my best trades, guys. So I journaled them. I know what I did right. I know what I did wrong. All right, and this is on gold, guys. This is on gold. So guys, just study yourself. All right, study yourself, and the only way you can study yourself is start writing it down. Start journaling your trades. All right, and journaling is not about being fancy. No. Write what you felt. All right, when you are about to enter the trade, were you feeling like you want to be greedy? Then you increase the loss size. Be honest with yourself. Your journal is supposed to show your nakedness. Your journal is supposed to show your nakedness. Every little mistake you made. Guys, I think there was a time early in the morning, I was so down, and instead of me not to trade, I wanted to feel strong because I was going through something. And then I went out, I got myself some booze, some alcohol. I took it and I was hyperactive. I was overly active. That day I lost I lost so much. And I wrote to myself, never ever touch alcohol when you are trading. Alright? So you have to be naked. You have to just be honest with yourself. You understand? This is the only way you can actually grow, because when you can be first honest with yourself, then you will know the next thing you're supposed to do in terms of how to change, how to improve in forex. King Kenneth, you're welcome. I'm using futures. I don't have forex account. Please, is this short? I will be placing this on your signal. So this is gold. All right, this is gold, and then we are looking to short gold. Right now we are not getting any active signals, guys, and the 30-minute candle is about to close. The 30-minute candle is about to close. Guys, we are staying away from gold right now. I have seen this happen before. I'm going to be deleting this signal. Alright, guys, we are staying away from gold right now. Look at the 1 minute time frame. I don't think gold is ready to sell yet. Alright, I don't think gold is ready to sell yet. If it begins to fall and we miss it, it's okay. But guys, look at the 1 hour. Alright, let me expand this, guys, for you to see. Look at the 1 hour. Alright, so let me explain this. This is story time now, okay? Let's explain the story behind gold right now. So let me quickly check 30 minutes. Nah, nothing. 1 hour, nothing. So now look at the story here. Look at this bullish candle. This bullish candle came in strong. Alright? This bullish candle coming in strong simply tell us something. The buyers are active in the market. Alright? The buyers here are active in the market. Let's just be honest with ourselves. The buyers came in here and then they broke this resistance, guys. They broke this resistance on the 1 hour and on the 30 minutes here. Alright? For them to break the resistance on all smaller time frame, that means the buyers are still active in the market. So it is until the buyers volume died down before you now start thinking of taking a sell. Alright, before you start thinking of taking a sell. Guys, if you are joining for the first time, hit that follow button. We have started a mentorship now. This is what we call VIP mentorship. So you need to hit that follow button and follow me right now. Alright, hit that follow button and follow me right now. So you should listen to this. So these are the things that we don't look at in the market. These are the information that the chart is giving us, but we are not looking at it. Alright, so hit that follow button now, hit that like button. See this bullish candle here. This bullish candle broke this resistance. Alright, if I want you to put yourself in the shoes of somebody that wants to buy, you are going to be reading this information as breakout, retest, and continuation. Guys, did you see what just happened there? Breakout, retest, and continuation, just like this. So guys, this is what I mean when I say you have to be fluid in the forex market. You have to be fluid. All right, price went down, all right, broke out, all right, retest, continuation bullish. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? Guys, hit that follow button if you are getting me. Hit that follow button, hit that like button right now. All right, so you see that we are being fluid in the market. We are not being selfish that, oh, it's because it is a sell, it must sell 100%. It can go bullish, all right, get to one major resistance before start selling properly. Ifeko, thank you for it very much. I really appreciate this. Is awesome. So there is no trade for us now. The next thing we are going to do now is we are going to now reanalyze our market. All right, we had some terms and conditions for a sell, and those terms and conditions did not happen. All right, do not force your trade. Let's sit down now and analyze what is going on. So I'm going to take this one off. Guys, please keep hitting that like button. You know how we do it here. Forex mentorship, I do it every morning, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'm always here, guys. If you are a new trader, you want to learn how to trade, I'm going to be dropping the content for you very soon. So you need to hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button because I'm going to be dropping this content. If you're an old trader, all right, and you are confused, you're not profitable yet, drop your questions in the comment section. Hit that follow button. All right, I am here for you. All right, so now let's pick. I want to delete all these charts, guys. I want to delete all these guys. All right, I want to delete all this. So now let's read this chart again from the beginning. Let's read this chart again from the beginning. All right, awesome. Now let's go down to the daily. All right, let's go down to the daily. And what is the daily giving us here? What is the daily giving us here? Guys, remember, on the daily, we had a strong support here, guys. There was a strong support here on the daily. All right. Obiago, can I have your Telegram link? I do not have a Telegram link, guys. I do not have a Telegram link. This is where I am. I don't think I'm going to be doing Telegram signals, guys. When I drop my signals, I drop it here live. We do the analysis. We enter the trade. I do mentorship here. So you need to hit that follow button, guys. Hit that follow button and follow me. This is what I do here every morning. That's me. I'm an old trader but not profitable, guys. It took me a very long time too. All right, Ifeko, it took me a very long time, honestly. But I can assure you, with consistency, all right, and improvement, you are going to be a profitable trader, honestly. And then don't sleep on instant funding accounts. Honestly, don't sleep on instant funding accounts. Satril FX, dropping signals on Telegram is bad. Well, I did not say it's bad, but I don't enjoy it. I have done it before. I don't enjoy it. All right, I do not enjoy it. Anything that is going to give me 0.001% of pressure in forex, I don't do it. Account management, I have done it before. I hurt myself. Borrowing money to trade, I have done it before. Guys, can't name it. Whichever thing that they do in forex, which one have I never done before? I have gambled in forex. Guys, do you know how I got my name? Spike Man Dan. Guys, if you want to know, write it in the comment section. I want to tell you guys a quick story now. Do you know how I got my name? Spike Man Dan. Spike Man Dan. So when Deriv was still binary, I catch spikes like anything. Like I have a Telegram group where I catch spikes. All right, it got to a time everybody there had to name me Spike Man, and then my name is Daniel, so Daniel Spike Man Dan. All right, so we've done it all. So right now we are here to stay in forex. We are here to do forex the proper way. So if you want to trade forex the proper way, also you want to be profitable the proper way, hit that follow button, guys. And then guys, please keep tapping that like button. I really do appreciate. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you so much for assisting this live. Thank you so much, guys. Obiagu, your experience is what I'm facing now. Yes, that's true. So now the reason why I'm here now is I want to shorten that experience you are facing now. All right, Obiagu, I want to shorten that experience you are facing. So if you want me to assist you, please, when I'm explaining something from experience, please just listen. I beg. See, there is no sugarcoating, there is no paparazzi here. I will tell you as they go, straight, honest and bitter truth. That is just it. Honest and bitter truth. All right. So let's go, guys. I'm good with you, bro. What's the tick line under the candles? Tick lines. Oh, do you mean this? If this is it, this is support, guys. Guys, keep tapping that like button. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you for whoever is tapping that like button. I really appreciate so much. Thank you so much. This means a lot to me. Thank you so much, guys. All right. So now let's run our analysis on gold, guys. Remember on the daily on gold. This is what we have on gold here. Gold has a support on, like there is this strong rejection on gold here. All right, this is the daily time frame now. I'm on the daily time frame now. All right, now since we have this support, that is the information, guys. I want you to look at something again. There is an information that is here. Look at yesterday's candle. There is no wick on yesterday's candle. Guys, if you are joining for the first time, keep hitting that follow button. This is the right place. You are in the right place when it comes to forex signals. Drop your questions in the comment section. I'm going to attend to it. So you can see, so there is no range for the next candle to go. All right, and since there is no range for the next candle to go, that is why we have this bullish momentum. So this is why we have to be very, very careful. Let's head down to 4 hours and then see what we have. Now under 4 hours here, we can see gold is moving bullish, and these are healthy bullish candle. Now guys, look at this week here. The probability that gold is going to fill this week is so high. All right, now let's head down to 1 hour, and this is where the week is here. All right, so the probability that gold is going to fill that week is so high. So since we have that now, let us plot our support and resistance. We have a resistance here, guys. All right, we have the first resistance here at 39.69. all right, guys, thank you for hitting that like button. Keep tapping that like button. I really appreciate. If you are here for the first time and you are a new trader, I am going to be dropping the proper way you are going to learn forex. It is free. You will join the university for free, and then you are going to learn forex the proper way. So you need to hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button. All the mistakes that we have made that has wasted us years as forex trader, you are not going to make that mistake. So hit that follow button. Okay, I'm going to be on live. I'm on live right now, so I'm going to be explaining everything to you on what you are supposed to do. If you are an existing trader and then you are confused, you are not profitable, you are finding your edge, you are finding your stand, hit that follow button. All right, if you are here for the signals, hit that follow button. This is the right place for you, guys. This is the proper right place for you. All right, keep hitting that follow button, keep hitting that like button. Also hit that like button, keep tapping that like button. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. All right, back to our analysis now. This is 1 hour. All right, and then this is the major resistance that we have on gold right now. Keep tapping that like button. Thank you so much. Now, when we have this major resistance here, this resistance has been broken. All right, this resistance has been broken, but we as a trader, we were looking at this rejection here, like gold is now about to sell. All right, and that was why I told you guys that we should wait for the next candle to print an information. All right, and this next candle is giving us an information that it is not yet ready to sell. All right, now let's head down to 30 minutes right now. Let's head down to 30 minutes and see what the 30 minutes candle is printing for us now. So messy. All right, now this messy price action is telling us one thing. Plot your support here. All right, plot your resistance here. Remember now, on the higher time frame, which is 1 hour here, we have this market structure formation. Price has broken, so let me draw it again, guys. Keep tapping that like button. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, price came down. All right, broke here, made a support. Then we might be expecting bullish movement here. All right, we might be expecting a bullish momentum here. This is premium, guys. This is premium, and this is what most traders remember in forex. The forex market gives money, all right, to the 1%. So you have to think like the 1%. The 99% now is thinking about a sell. The 1% is thinking about a buy. So let's be patient, guys. All right, let's be patient. So how do we enter this trade? We have one way to enter this trade, guys. Let price break above 39.76. all right, 39.76. 39.76. all right. So if you are joining us for the first time, hit that like button, hit that follow button. I am here every morning, 5 a.m., 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. GMT. We run live signals, right? Live signals, live forex analysis. We are here constantly. Thank you so much, guys. Let's quickly check USD South African Rand. Let's check USD South African Rand. What do we have here on it? All right. So if you are just joining us for the first time, look at my screen. This is what we do. All right, this is what we do. We run live signals here, live analysis. Where are you chatting from, Spike Mandan? I'm chatting from Lagos. All right, I'm in Lagos right now. Guys, keep tapping that like button. Thank you so much. Like I said, this is a mentorship session, guys. Drop your questions, drop your confusions, anything you are confused about, drop it in the comment section. Ifeko Francis, if you are still listening, I want to tell you, explain something. Do you notice how we did not take a trade right now? All right, did you notice how we did not take a trade? Now I want you to think of this in another way. Imagine we took this trade and we are in loss, and then the reason why we took this trade was because, oh, all right, we are already seeing the signal, we just have to rush in. Now what we just did now on gold is called saving grace. All right, saving grace. We just saved ourselves a loss. So this is what you need to be practicing. You need to be able to. This is a very, very wonderful day for us not to be able to take a trade. Is a blessing, because now we are confident enough to know that trade did not go in our direction, so we are not taking that trade. All right, so it is a blessing. Are we together? DNDFX, you're welcome. Hit that like button, hit that follow button. Which time frame is this? I want to quickly analyze USD ZAR based on request. I want to also analyze USD ZAR based on request. So this is USD ZAR, 30 minutes. I'm going to be running a top-down analysis on USD ZAR. All right. Deluca, you're welcome. Hit that follow button. Can we be able to chat on WhatsApp, because I would like to meet up with you whenever I enter Lagos? Yes. Hit it. Drop me a DM here. When you drop me a DM, please just quickly write that message there. I'm going to respond after the live. Kennedy, yo, how you doing? Good morning, everyone. Guys, keep tapping that like button. If you are here and this is your first time, this is the right place for you for forex mentorship, forex signals, forex analysis. All right. So after this analysis right now, if you're a newbie, if you're a new trader, or you are a trader with less experience, I'm going to be showing you a university where you are going to start your forex journey the proper way. Top peeps, good morning, good morning. I really appreciate you for joining this live. Hit that follow button, hit that like button. So if you're a newbie, hit that like button now, hit that follow button, hit that follow button, hit that like button now. King Kenneth, please, I need your mentorship. Yeah, that is why I'm here. That is why I'm here. I am going to mentor you. That is the reason why I am here live. Kennedy, I'm good. Please, this is my first time and I'm still freshman in trading. You are welcome, Kennedy. You are welcome. So once I'm done with this trade right now, okay, it's going to be the session for newbies. All right. So if you're a newbie, all right, if this is your first time here, if you're a freshman in trading, if you don't have experience in trading, right now hit that follow button. Hit that follow button. Once I'm done analyzing this trade, I'm going to be showing you the proper way for you to start your trading journey. All right. Kiera Miller, which trade is this? This is USD South African Rand. We're about to analyze it right now. Guys, keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. Elvin Robin, please, if you don't have a Telegram group, do you have a WhatsApp group? You teach well, but it's too... Oh, I can't see what you wrote there. Elvin Robin, you are welcome. See, when it comes to mentorship is so simple. Alright? Mentorship is so simple. What you need to understand is, get your questions. Anytime I'm on live, drop your questions when I'm on live. I'm going to attend to you fully. I'm only here 5 a.m., 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. GMT. I'm here. Evan Robbie, fast for us who are just beginners. Okay, if you are just beginners, when I'm done with this analysis right now on USD ZAR, alright, I'm going to be all for you. Alright, we have different sections, guys. We have different sections. Alright, I'm going to start the beginner section now, where I'm going to explain a lot of things for you. So just hit that follow button. If you're a beginner, hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button. Your session is about to start. Alright, and then if you're an old trader, this is also the right place for you. Please, if you are here, please pay attention to USD ZAR. We are still analyzing gold. We are still analyzing gold also. So guys, can you see what is going on gold right now? So patience is the key. Patience is the key, guys. All right, thank you so much, guys. Keep hitting that follow button. Keep hitting that follow button. So let's look at USD ZAR. Let's run top down analysis on USD South African Rand. All right, so guys, if you are joining for the first time, you are welcome. You know how we do it here. We drop live VIP signals. We drop live mentorship, live analysis. We do it here. Alright, new traders, you are also welcome. We are going to be doing teachings here. A lot of mentorships here, guys. Ali, I really enjoy your teaching. Thank you so much. You need to hit that follow button right now. Every morning I'm here. Drop your questions. I love teaching, okay? It's my passion. All right, I have a business. I have a business where I also teach tech. All right, I teach tech also. So I have an establishment where I teach. So it's something I've discovered about myself. So, and I told myself, why not, start mentorship also? Why not, be in mentorship in terms of forex? Because I have experience there too. Amebo FX. So what are you saying? Break above 39.73 we buy. Do you mean on gold? Do you mean gold? Oracle Productions, can you come to the UK? Oh, honestly, coming to the UK is not a problem. I am going to be coming to the UK very soon. That is assured. That is assured. That is assured. Do you love bikes? Yes, I love power bikes. Ifeku, I love power bikes, honestly. I love power bikes. I love it so much. Amembo FX and break below 39.69 we sell. Alright, so let's quickly look at it. Let's quickly look at this here. So we have 39.76. Anything breaking above 39.76, we know we are in for a buy. Alright, we are in for a buy. All right, and anything breaking below that 39.63 is for a sell. All right, but hold on for price action to form. You have to hold on for price action to form. Guys, keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. Jeluka, truly I followed your teaching the other day and I learned a lot of things. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I'm honored to do that. Mans one, good man, keep it up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Mans one, have you started the Forex University? Have you started it? How is it going so far? Ifeko Francis, I will be your mentor on that part. Please be. I actually have I have 3 unicycles right now. I ride unicycles, but I want to go into normal power bikes too. I ride EUCs right now. Those electric bikes, electric unicycles, those bikes with just one tire, those unicycles. So you can check them, electric unicycles. They are also very wonderful. S12, just check Emotion S12. Alright guys, Oracle Productions, if you plan to visit the UK, then we can host you for a conference. I'm going to be so honored. You can just drop me a DM. We're going to talk about that. So thank you guys. Let's continue. So great with the School of Pipsology. Men's one, I really appreciate that. You are enjoying the School of Pipsology. So please just keep in that university, keep learning. When you have any question, come to the comment section here. All right, I'm going to be here. I'm going to be attending to everyone accordingly. All right, guys, if you are joining for the first time, hit that follow button right now. Hit that like button. I'm learning a lot from you since yesterday. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. So guys, let's analyze USD ZAR, USD South African Rand. So let's start from the daily right now. All right, let's start from the daily. And right now on the daily, we had this crazy gladiator candle. All right, we had this very, very crazy gladiator candle breaking all above these highs. So by the way, this is a weekly range, guys. This is actually a weekly range on USD ZAR from here down to here. All right, this is a weekly range, guys. Keep tapping that like button. If you are joining for the first time, hit that follow button, guys. So for this weekly range, there is a break. Let's go down to 4 hours. Let's see, do we have a break? Yes, there is a breakout here, guys. There is a breakout here on USD South African Rand. All right, and for this reason, we are going for a long buys, guys, on USD South African Rand. But let's be patient. Don't let us jump in yet. Second son, where are you based, sir? I'm based in Lagos, in the island. King Kenneth, what's the name of the university? It's Baby Pips, and I'm going to be explaining it for all the new traders very soon. I'm going to be explaining it step by step for how you are going to start. Ifeko Francis, I'm learning a lot from you since yesterday. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. So hit that follow button, guys. So under 4 hours here, let's look at the next zone. That we might hit. So this is where we are going to now. All right, if I'm going to be taking a trade on USD South African Rand, this is where I'm going to be targeting. Guys, let's pay attention. This is awesome. All right, Ali, I'm in Lagos right now. I would like to meet you, bro. You are welcome. I have an office in Aja. So you are welcome. You can meet me. It's a working office, so you are welcome, guys. So let's go down to 1 hour. See what we have. Now, USD ZAR is ranging, and I've been watching USD ZAR for a while now. From 6 to around 9:30 is where USD ZAR moves for the pre-London and London Open session. All right, if there is no movement around that time, it is always better to stay away. All right, guys, keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. If you are joining us for the first time, please hit that follow button. It's going to be amazing. So this is a range here. It's actually ranging, and then we don't have much information here right now. All right, we don't have much information right now. All right, we don't have much information right now. If I go Francis, if it's me like 2 days ago, I would have jumped into the trade on gold. Honestly, always ask yourself that question: is it better for me to jump and lose, or be patient and still retain my capital? Honestly, please just keep asking yourself that question, and then you are going to be all right. Please check XAU USD. Kiera Amelia, I'm going to check it now. Very soon. We still have 3 minutes, so I'm going to check it. So this is what we have on USD ZAR, and I'm looking for an opportunity to take a buy. All right, so there are two scenarios to take a buy on USD ZAR. All right, and both of them requires patience. All right, two scenarios. Now let's head down to 30 minutes. And see what is going on here. Now if we plot a support here and then price breaks 17.4285, then we could take a sell back into that range. All right, Victor Pius, I entered and I lost. What currency pair did you enter? What pair did you enter, or what commodity did you enter? Alright guys, so from here now, we do not have anything on USD ZAR, honestly guys. So please, if you are trading USD ZAR, this is the time for you to wait for proper market structure to form. Alright, this market is just ranging right now. You have to wait for proper market structure to form. So there is nothing here guys. So we're going to head back to gold. Alright, gold is giving us more potentials right now. And this is awesome. Alright. Yes. Victor Pius, I think the reason why you entered, did you enter a sell? If I'm right, you entered a sell, right? Guys, now this is the time for newbies. Alright, newbies, this is mentorship time. If you're a newbie, drop it in the comment section. Victor Pius, your sell was valid, but you did not wait enough. Alright, your sell was valid, but you did not wait enough. So Victor Pius, I want to tell you right here, you did not make a mistake. Alright, do not feel bad. I don't know why you guys are feeling bad when you lose in Forex. Do you know what it takes for you to start, analyze, and be able to enter trade? Alright, Victor Pius, you are rare. You are a rare gem. Yes, even if you are a new, wow, you are even a newbie. You are doing a lot. So don't be sad. Take it as a lesson. Alright, write it somewhere. Ask yourself the reason why you lost. Alright, ask yourself the reason why you lost. Write it down and don't make that mistake again. Alright, every mistake is always a lesson. Okay, the newbie times, guys, you are welcome. If you are joining us for the first time, hit that follow button. Alright, guys, it's the newbie time now, and then we are going to start with the newbie. So hit that follow button. So new traders, newbie session. Alright, this is new traders newbie session, guys. So guys, don't let us forget to keep paying attention on gold. Alright, because on the 30 minutes here is where we should have had our signal. Alright, we should have had our signal. And in fact, guys, right now, if you are a high risk trader, this is the time for you to hit a buy on gold. Alright, but I'm going to be waiting for the sake of this live, and for the sake of those who are not, conservative traders. We are going to wait, and we are going to enter this market properly. All right, we are going to wait, and then we are going to enter this market properly. All right, you're welcome, guys. So this is the newbie session, guys. This is the newbie session. If you're a newbie, this is for you. So hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button right now. Keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. Now, if you're a newbie, you fall under two categories. You have either started learning forex from the YouTube University, or you have paid for mentorship. Whichever case. Now, anything I'm going to be telling you here now, take it from me and be honest. As a mentor with years of experience, the best mentorship on forex is free. The best mentorship on forex, alright, is free. Quote me anywhere. The best mentorship on forex is free. Guys, if you are joining for the first time, hit that follow button. Now, look at what I wrote there above. Pay attention to that link, guys. Pay attention to that link. That is the link to the YouTube, to the Forex University. All right, that is the link to the Forex University. Hit that follow button. Your first assignment right now as a newbie, I want you to go to that website. Go to that website right now, or after the live. Go to that website after the live, and I want you to register properly and start your forex journey properly. If you have any question, if you have any contribution, if you have any questions so far, I want you to come back to live, or if you have followed me, drop any question in my DM. I'm going to attend to you. I'm definitely going to attend to you. So right now, if you're a newbie and you can see this website right now on my screen, I want you to type SIN. Type SIN right now. Let me know you are following me. Guys, keep tapping that like button. Chris Achiever, good morning. I am sure you milked gold. So yesterday's gold was awesome. It was superb, guys. It was superb. So if you took the trade on gold and BTC, kudos to you. You must be enjoying it right now because it was a huge, massive sell. All right, good. So the first thing, which I just explained right now, go to this university. Now, guys, you are going to give yourself a time frame. Let me write it on the screen right now. You are going to give yourself a time frame. A time frame. Now, I'm talking to those who want to be profitable in forex. Those who want to be patient and learn forex the proper way. If you want to gamble in forex, if you want to use $10 to make $50 in overnight, that this is not the right place. But if you want to learn forex the right and the proper way, all right, you have to give yourself the time frame. Give yourself at least 2 months. 2 months in the Baby Pips University, the School of Pipsology. Give yourself 2 months. All right. If you are just joining for the first time and you are a newbie, hit that follow button right now. I have started the mentorship session. All right, I have started the mentorship session. Oh wow! So guys, gold is already moving. I guess we are not getting an entry today. All right, So gold is already moving bullish. So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to keep waiting. All right, we keep waiting and watching. All right, so let's continue, guys. So give yourself a time frame. Give yourself at least 2 months. Within that 2 months, I want you to be consistently on the School of Pipsology, Baby Pips. All right, go to the School of Pipsology and then register yourself. Make sure you are consistent to the training. Now, once you have done that, when you have any questions, join me 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. here live. Drop your question here live with me. I'm going to be attending to you. Alright? This is for my new traders, guys. This is for my new traders. Drop your questions here and I'm going to be attending to everyone. Alright? So this is for new traders. Now, the last thing you are going to do for me is make sure that all those social medias, avoid all the social media paparazzis. Anybody that is posting flashy cars on Forex, anybody that is posting flashy cars telling you that is making money from Forex, avoid them. Avoid YouTube University at all costs, please. This is the only thing that can derail you. These are the mistakes that we made when we started. We thought, oh, we can actually start making money in Forex in 2 months or so. There was a time I was already, thinking about the kind of car I'm going to be riding. No, guys, no, that is not how Forex works. Alright? So if you are here and you want to make money fast, please don't go into Forex. Alright? Now, somebody asked me a question. Are you going to start with money in Forex? Guys, for the first 3 months, don't put a dime in Forex. Don't put a dime in Forex. Alright? Don't put a dime in Forex. Don't give anybody a dime. Learning Forex is absolutely free. When you have your question, I'm going to be here live. I'm going to be explaining your questions. I'll be showing you live chats. Alright? So your consistency is you go into the Baby Pips website, you start learning Baby Pips. Alright? You start learning the School of Pipsology. By the way, the School of Pipsology, guys, is going to teach you like a baby. That is why it is called Baby Pips. Alright? And when you have any confusion, any question, come here, drop it in my DM. Come to live 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then I'm going to explain everything. And then you learn. Alright? You are going to be shocked how you are going to learn in just 2 months. 2 months is even too much, but just 2 months is okay. Then by the time you are done learning, then you are now ready to start what we call the demo account. Now let me write it here for you guys. The demo account. Demo account. And back testing. Demo account and back testing. Guys, if you are joining for the first time, you need to hit that follow button. Hit that follow button, guys. Guys, there is no more trade on gold. We missed the entry. There was no entry for us, so there is nothing here. So guys, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. It happens on gold. It happens on gold very well. Alright, it happens on gold. We were expecting the buy, and then the buy just shoots up. Alright, there is nothing you can do. There is nothing you can do. Alright, so back to the new traders. So once you are done with the School of Pipsology, alright, and then now you understand Forex very well, it's time for you to start your demo account trading and back testing. Alright, what is a demo account trading? This is where you can register to a broker. When you register to a broker, please, it's free of charge. There is not, you're not dropping a dime. Alright, you register to a broker and then you can request for an account. I would advise you to go for $2,000 account. Don't go for anything more than $2,000 account. It is a trap, guys. That is the first trap into making you think that you are going to be a billionaire overnight in Forex. Alright, make sure you force yourself to not take more than $2,000 account as a demo. Alright, guys, if you are joining for the first time, hit that follow button. Hit that follow button right now. Alright, so that anytime I'm on live here, you are going to get a notification. I'm on live here. I'm going to be explaining all these things for you guys. Now, what is backtesting? Backtesting is a way of being assured that your trades are spot on. Is a way of gaining experience, hands-on experience in types of trade. So when you backtest, alright, what you are doing is you go to the previous data you go to the previous information that has happened in forex. All right, now when you go to those previous information, you replay it. So it's going to be as if, so let's say for example, you can choose like January 2025, maybe January on a Monday, and then you replay it. So the market is going to be playing as if it is real life. All right, so you are going to have an account, a demo account, then you will now hit the trade, and when you hit the trade, it's going to be moving. It's going to show you if the candles are going to move just like the way the candles are moving right now, just exactly the way the candles are moving right now. It's going to be moving exactly like that. Okay, so when the candle closes, it either closes in profit or in loss. Then you are going to sit down and analyze the market and ask yourself. All right, so very soon I'm also going to be starting the backtesting session, guys. I'm going to be starting the backtesting session on live. So we are going to sit down and then we analyze the market and then we run a backtest live here. So guys, hit that follow button. Hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button right now, guys. It is awesome. Guys, keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. So please, if you are a newbie here and you understand all the steps, write "I understand" in the comment section. Write "I understand." Keep tapping that follow and like button, guys. Tap that follow button. Tap that like button. I want you to reply in the comment section, "I understand." If you understand all the steps. Good. Thank you very much. Alois, I don't understand yet. Okay, I'll quickly explain again. Step 1, go to this website. All right, go to this website. Start your forex journey the proper way, the legit way. All right, go to babypips.com and start your forex journey the proper way. That is first step. The second step is give yourself a time frame. Give yourself at least 2 months. Give yourself at least 2 months. King Kenneth, I understand, but Baby Pips is not allowing me to register. Register with your Gmail. Register with your Gmail, guys. Guys, keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. If you are a newbie here, hit that follow button. If you are new to this live here, you know how we do it. 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. here, we are dropping live signals. We are dropping live analysis. We do live mentorship here. I teach you how to trade live. You ask your questions about forex here. So you need to hit that follow button. Hit that follow button. So when you give yourself a time frame, all right, so that you can understand when you are going to fully learn forex, give yourself 2 months time frame. All right, give yourself 2 months time frame. Thank you so much for the gift, Slim Fem. Thank you so much for the gift. I really appreciate. When you give yourself 2 months time frame, learn. When you have any question, drop it here in when we are live by 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'm going to be demystifying. I'm going to be explaining everything. All right, and then the next step for you is to get a demo account. You get a demo account and you start backtesting. This is only and only when you can now start thinking about depositing your first money. And by that time, I'm going to be here also to guide you. I'm going to be here to guide you. Elvis Robbie, it only proposes to register with Facebook, not Gmail. No, please, I want you to go down to the bottom there. There is an option for you to register with Gmail. I am very sure of that. Please, I want you to check properly. There is an option there. All right, there is an option there, guys. Guys, keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. Tap that like button. Thank you very much, guys. Tap that like button. Alright, guys, we didn't get any trade on gold, and then you see how we trade. So there are days that you get signals, there are days that you don't. Do not rush into trade. Do not rush into trade. Thank you for the gift. I really appreciate. If you are joining for the first time and you are either a newbie or you are an old trader, and you want to get more knowledge, hit that follow button. This is where we do it here. We drop live signals, we drop live analysis here, VIP signals here. All right, after refreshing the page twice, Elvis Robbie said after refreshing the page twice, Gmail appeared. All good. All right, I'm really happy that you have registered. Congratulations to your journey into becoming a profitable trader. Menswan said you are doing a good job. How are you paid for these classes? Honestly, for now, I am paying myself by learning more. All right, I am paying myself for learning more. All right, I am paying myself for learning more, and some of my followers gift me here on live, so I really appreciate that. Ifego Francis is one of my best gifters. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, guys. Keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. My reward here is I'm happy that I can actually pass that knowledge that most people can learn forex the best way, the proper way, for free. All right. So enough is enough with fake forex traders that are selling fake courses or free courses they are selling at premium price. All right. Ifego Francis, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So enough is enough. And by the way, guys, I am learning a lot by teaching. All right, that is my strong suit. The best way I learn is by teaching. So guys, keep hitting that follow button, guys. Keep hitting that follow button. If you are joining us for the first time, you need to hit that follow button, guys. You need to hit that follow button. All right, when it comes to forex, this is the best place. This is the best place for the education. God bless you. You are never going to lose in life. Amen. Thank you so much, Prince One. I really appreciate that. Manuel Scientist, I think gold will sell massively from 39.91. 39.91. Oh, from that resistance, right? Yeah, it could sell from there. But don't forget, the overall trend in the daily and weekly time frame is an uptrend also. So it might happen, it might change trend. All right, so you have to keep an open mind. If you are a new trader, please look at the screen, hit that follow button, look at the screen. These are the steps for you. Follow these steps and you are going to enjoy your forex journey. Guys, I wish somebody told me all this when I started forex. All right, I wish somebody told me all this when I started forex. My journey through forex into profitability will have been so short. All right, will have been so short. So guys, hit that follow button right now. This is where we do it here. We drop live VIP signals here, live analysis. We drop live mentorship here. I teach forex here live, guys. So you need to hit that follow button. Keep tapping that like button, guys. So guys, the question now is, Elvi Robbie, there are 11 courses altogether. After the live, I will start my forex journey. Congratulations to you once more. That is good. The demo account and backtesting, how do we go about it? Before you can start the demo account and backtesting, please pay attention. Make sure that you have given yourself a time frame and you have learned forex the proper way first. All right, I'm going to be giving you guys the best free backtesting software here. I'm going to be giving you the best broker for you to start your demo account. If you want to trade real account also, I will be telling you the best brokers that I have used so far. IC Market, Funded, IC Market, Dominion Market. These are very, very amazing brokers. All right, amazing brokers. So that's just it, guys. You are welcome. King Kenneth, what's the best broker? Yes, IC Market and Dominion Trading. Those are wonderful brokers. Guys, if you are joining for the first time, hit that follow button, guys. Ifeko Francis, somebody should help me work on my patience. Start journaling, honestly. Start journaling every morning. Read your journal to yourself. Honestly, it's going to help you. Christian, you don't use Xness. Xness is a gambling website. It is not a broker. Quote me anywhere. Xness is a gambling website. It is not a brokerage firm. Please. Xness is a gambling website. So just leave Xness to their own. Guys, if you are joining for the first time, hit that follow button. We drop live VIP signals here. If you're a new trader, if you're a newbie trader here, this is the best place for you. All right, this is the best place for you. So hit that follow button right now, guys. Keep tapping that like. Obiag, which of the broker you use? IC Market is one of the oldest brokers. Use IC Market. Alright, use Dominion Market. Those brokers, they are honest brokers. They will tell you their benefits that they are getting from you, so you understand everything. Alright, and that is how Forex is going to be. Slim Firm, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the rose. What about Will Trade? Will Trade, I have not used Will Trade before. Honestly, I don't know. I have not used Will Trade before, honestly. So which broker is the best? There is no best broker, guys. Guys, I want you to pay attention. There is no best broker in the market. Every broker has what they want to gain from you. Alright? Every broker has what they want to gain from you. Understand that and understand that today. Alright? Every broker has a benefit. So you are going to look for the broker that is transparent. Look for a broker that is transparent. The broker that is going to tell you that, hey, this is what I want to earn from you. Either from swap, either from execution fee. Alright? So they are going to tell you what they want to gain from you, and then they are going to give you their value. Alright? If you are in Nigerian and you are a day trader or a scalper, try using a broker that has fast execution. Alright? When they give you fast execution, they will request something from you. That is just the truth. They are going to request something from you. So it's an exchange. Guys, brokers are there to make money. But any broker, especially Xness, that hide their what they want to earn from you, they are not brokers, guys. They are not brokers. So all those brokers that are going to give you 100% reward. So when you deposit $50, they will give you $100. Come on, guys. Come on. What is different between that and Bet Naija? Come on, guys. Gold is dropping. Gold is not dropping yet. Gold just broke a resistance. We are looking for an entry, guys. Oluwatimileyin, the best to use for trading, please. I'm just starting trading. If you are just starting trading and you have read through all the forex courses and then you are good to go, I would advise you to go for Dominion Market. Go for Dominion Market is good. For analysis, use C-Trader. Okay? Alright, please, can I have the real logo for the IC Market? Just type IC Market. It's green in color. I'm in Ghana. Which broker is the best? Use IC Market. Use Dominion Market. Okay? Chukwemeka said, boss, how about FBS? FBS also is not bad. It's not bad. I mean the old one. There are two. So there is the old one there. I think it's about 10 years old. Those are good brokers, guys. Guys, hit that follow button. Guys. Hit that follow button. This is the best place for forex content. If you are a new trader, hit that follow button. If you are an existing trader, hit that follow button, guys. Guys, before I go, I want to talk about prop firm. And if you have less than $100, you want to trade like a real trader and not a gambler, I'm going to be dropping that content before I leave. Alright? New financials, which broker are you using? I use Dominion Market. Alright? I use Dominion Market. Let me see if I can show you here on my screen. You can see I use Dominion Market here. I don't know if you can see it on my screen. I use Dominion Market most times. IC Market is also good. These are old. They are old brokers and they are very honest brokers. Alright? Looking for entry to the top. Yeah, it's not. Yes, I'm looking for entry to the top. Hi Larry 4. I'm looking for entry to the top, but I am going to be patient because the market now is almost close to the resistance. So I'm going to be patient. Satril FX, are we still looking for buy on gold? Yes, we are looking for buy on gold, but we are going to be patient. So hit that follow button, guys. Hit that follow button. Cappuccino, for starters, which is good to start trading, guys. If you want to start trading and want to enjoy trading, Ifeko, thank you so much. If you want to start trading, use Dominion Market. Guys. Thank you so much, Ifeko. I really appreciate. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the ice cream gift. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you so much, man. You are busting my head, Ifeku. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for the gift. Thank you so much for the gift. I am honored. If you are a new trader here, please hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button right now. You can't afford to miss the nice and amazing content we do here. All right, you can't afford to miss it. So hit that follow button, guys. Keep tapping that like button now. Please keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button now. Keep tapping that like button to assist here. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. If you are enjoying this content here, you're welcome. You're welcome, guys. If you are a new trader and you want to learn how to trade properly, hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button right now. If you want signals, hit that follow button right now. If you're an existing trader, you want to know how to trade, you want to understand some price actions, you want to see live analysis, hit that follow button right now. This is where we do it all. This is where we do it all. I'm all about exclusive content, exclusive forex content, guys. Exclusive content. Alois, how to get started on the university? Go to Baby Pips. I dropped the link, guys. I dropped the link. So hit that follow button. Alois, just go through that link. It is a university and it is free of charge. So make sure you register with your Gmail and you are good to go. So now I'm looking at this trade now, and guys, I'm going to be dropping another signal on gold right now. All right, guys, hit that follow button. We're about to get a signal on gold. All right, we're about to get a signal on gold right now. All right, we're about to get a signal on gold. Please apply proper risk management. Please apply proper risk management. We do not gamble here. Okay, where do you think I can start from on Baby Pips? I think you can start from the level 2. I think pre-nursery. There is a place called pre-nursery there. Guys, hit that follow button, hit that follow button, hit that like button, guys. So when you get to Baby Pips, when you register, go to pre-nursery. They are going to give you the course outline. All right, they are going to give you the course outline for what you are supposed to start with. All right, for what you are going to start with. So you are going to read through it, and then you will see the best place for you to start with. Ifeku, guys, we are about to hit a buy now. We are about to hit a buy on gold. So I'm going to be dropping this signal on gold right now. Guys, go in for a buy. Guys, go in for a buy on gold. Go in for a buy on gold. All right, go in for a buy on gold right now. Gold is for a buy, guys. Gold is for a buy, guys. Going for a buy right now, and our stop loss is going to be. I'm going to drop our stop loss right now. Good, awesome. Guys, we are on a gold buys right now, and then this is the signal here. All right, this is the signal here. Please go in for a buys now. Go in for a buys. This is live signal here on gold. Go in for a buys. Apply proper risk management. Gold buys. Gold buy signal. This is the gold buy signal now. Gold buy signal. Entry at 3980 3980.98, SL at 3969.85, TP at 3998.25, 3998.25. 3998.25, not more than 2% risk. Alright guys, please, if you are in the bias, let me know. If you are in the bias, let me know guys. We are on gold buys right now. 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 If you want to get the link, I'm going to drop it in the comment section right now. Alloys, how do we apply risk management? How do we apply risk management? Okay, if you want to apply risk management, you are going to risk a particular percentage of your capital per trade, and you must make sure that you do not go against that lot size. So let's say for example you have about $500 account. All right, do not risk more than say 2% of your capital. All right, 2% of your capital per trade. So if you don't risk more than 2% of your capital per trade, that is how you apply proper risk management. And you must make sure that you place stop loss. All right, you must make sure that you place stop loss. You must make sure you place stop loss, guys. Make sure to always place stop loss. Guys, hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button. Hit that follow button. I'm in on this trade already. With my stop loss and everything. So if it goes our way, fine. If it doesn't go our way, fine. That is how to trade, guys. That is how to trade. That is how to trade. I'm going to drop the link for the baby pips right now. My time frame is 30 minutes. Guys, look at the TP on the screen. Guys, hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button right now. Guys, keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. Please apply proper risk management. Alright, apply. Do not be greedy. Alright, as a mentor, I'm explaining to you now. Do not be greedy. Alright, any amount you make here, don't forget there is still tomorrow, there is still day after tomorrow, there is forever for you to make money. Alright, there is always time for you to make money. Do not be greedy. Apply proper risk management. Guys, if you are joining us for the first time, we are in trade on gold right now. Hit that follow button so that anytime I'm here on live, you are going to join me. We are going to trade live. For mentorship also, hit that follow button right now. Guys, hit that follow button. Hit that follow button right now. We are on gold buys, guys. We are on gold buys. So let's see what gold is going to do. Let's see what gold is going to do. We are on gold buys. 1 hour is good. Let's see 4 hours. 4 hours is perfect. So we have a lot of sight on gold already. Okay, so guys, if gold goes against us, it's fine. If gold goes in our direction, it's also fine. This is how you trade in forex. Do not attach emotions to forex, guys. All right, guys. So drop your questions in the comment section, guys. Drop your question in the comment section. Tap the like button, guys. Tap the like button, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, you need to hit that follow button. You need to hit that follow button. There is no best place you can get forex premium content for free other than this place. So tap that follow button, guys. Tap that follow button. Tap that follow button right now. If you are a new trader, go through the comment section. There is a link for you to start your forex journey in a proper way, absolutely free of charge. So hit that follow button right now. I just dropped the link right now. Let me drop the link again. Let me drop the link again for you. I just dropped the link right now. Guys, keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button. Set that like button on fire. Guys, set that like button on fire right now. Set that like button on fire. Thank you so much. Guys, if you are joining for the first time, you know how we do it. Hit that follow button. Slim Firm, thank you so much for the roses. Thank you so much for the gift. Guys, I really appreciate the gift. I never expected that when I come live, I'm going to be rewarded, but I really appreciate, guys. I'm honored. Slim Firm, do you want to enter the trade on a demo account? If you want to enter the trade, the market is already gone. Alright, except the market comes back to entry before you can enter. Alright guys, please make sure you apply proper risk management. Alright, there is nothing as sweet as knowing that tomorrow you are coming back to the chart. Alright, Christian, you are not seeing it. Let me drop it here. Let me drop it here. Alright, can you see it now? Guys, if you are joining us for the first time, hit that follow button. Hit that follow button right now. We are getting a lot of amazing forex content here. You can't afford to hit that follow button. Hit that follow button. Tap the like button right now. Hit that follow button. Tap the like button right now. Hit that follow button and tap the like button right now. How to know the entry as a beginner? Will there be a sign? Yes. Alois, for you to know an entry, alright? For you to know an entry, 1 minute. Christian, I should search it up, Abby. Yeah, that is the website. Just type it on your Chrome or any of your browser. It's gonna bring it out. If you are using iPhone, that's Safari. Search it up and then you are going to get it. Alois, back to you. The only way you can know your entry as a beginner is, first of all, you must first understand market structure. So if you don't understand market structure yet, it will be difficult for me to explain it to you. That's why I want you to go to Baby Pips, read it, so that you can understand how to identify a market structure. So when next I'm on live and when I'm explaining market structure and then I start explaining entry, alright, you'll be able to identify an entry. But let me try and explain what an entry is, alright, and how to identify it. When a market trend is about to start, for example this, alright, if you are looking at my screen right now, you can see that from here we had a push, alright. Thank you for the gift so much, I really appreciate. Chef Bobby, thank you for the gift, I really appreciate. So you can see that push coming down here. It does like this, it goes up, it does the same, and then comes down and then keeps going up. Alright, now Chef Bobby, thank you so much. Now, as if you are trading an uptrend, alright, Chef Bobby, thank you so much, I really appreciate. If you are trading an uptrend, the best place for you to buy, alright, is at the lows, alright, here, this is the best place for you to buy, alright. So once you know that this is the best place for you to buy and you have identified that level, it's high time for you to look for the candle that is going to tell you that, oh, now it's time for buys, alright. And then you drop down to the smaller time frame, look for that candle. That candle is going to be called the entry candle. Alright, that is your entry candle. Guys, keep tapping that like button. Chef Bobby, I really appreciate. Thank you so much, Chef Bobby. Guys, hit that follow button right now. Keep hitting that follow button right now. Hit that follow button. You know how I would do it here. Hit that follow button, tap that like button right now. If you are in the trade right now, I'm sure you are in profit. If you are in the trade right now. Guys, understand. that you need to be stoic in forex. All right, you need to be stoic in forex. No matter what happens, so far you apply proper risk management, nothing is going to change your bias. Let the trade run. If it runs to your stop loss, that's fine. If it hits your TP, that's good. This is how you trade, guys. I'm going to show you, I'm going to keep explaining to you how you trade. What's the TP, bro? Please, if you are just seeing the signal, it has already gone far. It has already gone over 15 pips. Alright, so wait for the next trade. The TP is at 3998.25. Alright, 3998.25. But there is a high probability that we might be taking profit earlier. I need to get breakfast, guys. I need to get breakfast. So if you are joining for the first time, you need to hit that follow button. This is where we drop live VIP signals. Live analysis here, live mentorship. So if you're a newbie, you don't know how to trade, you want to learn how to trade, you want to do it the proper way, you don't want to make the mistakes that most of us made when we are starting forex, wasting years of effort, hit that follow button, guys. Hit that follow button. Please, where should I put my TP? Put your TP at 3994.96. 3994.96. 3994.96. So we are in the buys, guys. We are in the buys. Our 1 hour support our buyers. You can see that our 1 hour support our buyers right here. Even the 4 hours support our buys. So we just have to be patient, guys. We have to be patient. Monitor your trade and apply proper risk management, guys. Alright, guys, so that is all for gold. That is all for gold. So I want to be talking about PropFirm. So we've already analyzed this. We are in this trade. So let's talk about PropFirm, guys. If you are in an African country, honestly, PropFirm is one of the best blessing for you. Alright, Favor Pato, can we re-enter, please? No, you cannot enter anymore. The market has gone. Alright, the market has gone, please. The market has gone. Except you get markets into entry, there is no entry for you. Please, don't enter the trade. Do not do FOMO. Do not do fear of missing out. Alright, do not force trade. Alright, do not force trade, guys. So I want to talk about PropFirm, guys. I want to talk about PropFirm. Proprietary firm, PropFirm. PropFirm. Alright, and then we have what we call instant funding. Instant funding. Don't worry, Ifeko, I am here for you when it comes to FOMO. That FOMO has to stop. It has to stop. Yes, it has to stop. So you keep practicing until the FOMO stop. Elvin Robbie, can I use the EMA 9, EMA 20 and 200 to determine an entry position? Elvin Robbie, I am a pure price action trader. So honestly, I do not know about EMAs very well. I have used it before, but honestly, I do not know. So I trade only pure price action. So if you are using EMAs, learn to use it as entry. I think the smaller EMA is the one that gives entry, something like that. So honestly, I do not know. All right. Ifeko, yes. FOMO has cost me a lot of fortune. All right. See, Ifeko, one thing I want you to do right now is, if you are trading forex and the capital you are using to trade forex is either borrowed, either you borrow the money or somebody gave you the money. Thank you so much for following me, I really appreciate. And you borrow the money, or that money is not, see, the only money you are supposed to use to trade forex is the extra cash you have, either for savings or to spend. Guys, listen to that. That is the honest truth. If you want to enjoy forex, trade trade it with a capital. See, don't trade any capital you are going to use to trade forex. Let it come from something that you know that you can lose. See, that is just the truth. It took me almost 4 months for me to go back to my funded account. Not because I don't have that money, but because I did not have that extra income to put in forex at that time. Alright, so just use that mentality. See, once we start with that mentality, I can assure you one thing, that FOMO is going to leave. You know why? The reason why it's going to leave is that if you are applying proper risk management to your trade, you are putting your stop loss, and then let's say you have $2,000 account, and then you are risking 2%. 2% is, I think, $20. You'll be like, well, it's all good. And then if you are missing a trade, it will be very easy for you not to say, oh, because you are going to miss out. See, don't put too much expectations in forex. Alright? Uncanny, you are very right. Trade with what you can afford to lose. Don't put too much expectation in forex. That is when you start seeing real money in forex, honestly. And then make sure to never stop trading. Even if you don't have an account, if you don't have an equity, keep trading on demo. Keep analyzing, keep trading. So guys, back to our PropFem instant funding, which I was talking about. Instant funding is one of the best things that can happen to any African countries, most especially. Guys, if you are joining for the first time, hit that follow button now. Hit that follow button right now. This is where we drop live gold content, amazing content, guys. Hit that follow button right now. Keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button, guys. Keep tapping that like button. So like I was saying, guys, instant funding is one of the best things that can happen to you, because now with a little capital, which is more like the entry fee, like the gate fee, you can get a bigger equity. All right, because let me tell you honestly, guys, one of the things that can limit you, if you are a good trader, you know your analysis very well, or even if you are an upcoming trader, the only thing that can limit you is the lack of funds. All right, so the best thing that you can do, if you have less than $100 account, get an instant funding. So the instant funding I want you to get, go to Funded Next. All right, please, I am not in a partnership with them. I just noticed that Funded Next, they are quite open. All right, they are quite open, they are honest. All right, they are open, they are honest with their thing. All right, so if you have any other forex funded prop firm, and then they are honest with the things that they do, use them. But make sure you use instant funding, please. Use instant funding. Satril FX is back to entry. Yes, obviously. Remember, you have to be stoic in forex. If it goes down, no problem. If it goes up, no problem. We have already done our analysis. We know what we are seeing in the market. We have paid our stop loss. We have applied proper risk management. You just leave the market. Let the market do what it wants. All right, let the market do what it wants. All right, no fear, no FOMO. No fear, no FOMO, please. All right, this is how you take your trades. How do I get instant funding? Yeah, you can use Funded Next. I think I don't know if this big prop firm are doing Funded Next right now. I will check it. I will give you feedback tomorrow. What's your analysis on gold? We're on buys on gold right now. We have checked the analysis and then we have executed our trade. Yeah, it's back to entry. Yeah, good, no problem. Let's just keep watching. All right, let's just keep watching. Let's see what it's gonna do. All right, let's keep watching. But for me, this is one of the best analysis I love to do. All right, this is one of the best analysis I want to do. Guys, we are going to be ending the live very soon, so you need to hit that follow button right now. Keep tapping that like button. Guys. Tap that like button, guys. Thank you so much for today. If you have enjoyed great content today, keep tapping that like button, guys. set that like button on fire. Set that like button on fire. If you have enjoyed amazing content today, if you are enjoying amazing content here today, if you have enjoyed amazing content here today, tap that like button, guys. Tap that like button. Tap that like button, guys. Tap that like button. Tap that like button. Tap that like button, guys. We are already in the buys. Kelvin Miles. We are already in the buys. Though price is still close to the entry. So this is it on the screen. We are already in the buys. If you are joining for the first time, guys, you need to hit that follow button now. Follow me, guys. Hit that follow button. If you are a newbie, this is the best place for you. This is the best place for you, guys. This is the best place for you. So, guys, make sure you apply proper risk management. I'm going to be ending the live in about 7 minutes. Alright, in about 7 minutes. Please make sure you apply proper risk management to your trade. Do not be greedy, and do not also be afraid when you trade. Alright, do not be greedy and do not be afraid when you trade. Alright, guys, keep tapping that like button. Keep tapping that like button, guys. If you have enjoyed massive content here today, I want you to tap that like button, guys. Tap that like button. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Tap that like button right now. Tap that like button. Tap that like button. I really appreciate. Tap that like button right now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Tap that like button, guys. If you are joining for the first time, you need to hit that follow button. Follow me right now. We drop VIP signals like this. Every morning, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Join me here. I drop live signals. We drop live analysis. So I'm always here, guys. I'm always here. If you're an existing trader, analysis here is for you. If you're a new trader, we do live mentorship here. Guys. We do live mentorship. Thank you so much, guys. So hit that follow button right now. Guys, hit that follow button right now. Tap that like button right now. Thank you so much. If you have any more questions, drop it in the comment section, guys. Drop it in the comment section as we round up. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you for sharing the live. I really appreciate. Thank you for sharing the live. I really appreciate, guys. Wow, guys, it has been a wonderful session today. Thank you for joining this live here today. I'm going to be closing up in the next 5 minutes. Please, if you are on the buys on gold, apply proper risk management. Do not overtrade. Do not over leverage. All right. So hit that follow button to join me now. Keep tapping that like button, guys. Keep tapping that like button. Guys. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any more question, drop it in the comment section before I go. Thank you for everything, bro. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Ifeko, thank you very much. You're my number one biggest fan. I really appreciate. You joined us live yesterday. You joined us today also. It's been awesome. Thank you for those tapping that like button. Thank you very much. More grease to your hands. Thank you for tapping that like button. I really appreciate. So, guys, don't forget, tomorrow 7 a.m. GMT to 11 a.m. GMT, I'm going to be here also. I need to go get breakfast right now and then resume my work. I have other businesses which I do. I would like to have your Grimnat number. Okay, just send me a DM. I'm going to drop it for you. Thank you so much for that. So guys, don't forget, apply proper risk management. Tomorrow is Thursday. We are going to be here also, so make sure you hit that follow button. Hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button right now. Hit that follow button right now. Thank you so much. Hit that follow button right now. Vamos a la carga. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sir, registration. Mi wá rántí history ẹ̀ náà mobile. Ṣé ẹ ti register tẹ́lẹ̀ ni? Fresh should be, I think 10,000. Yes, 10,000 ló máa jẹ́. Then kò ní ju 5 to 7 business days. Business days. Okay. Ìgbà wo lẹ máa wá? Àárọ̀ after environmental. After environmental. You know, VIP price move for you. Ọ̀gá mi sọ. Ẹ dín lọ ká a máa check. You know, remember say I will tell you about the issue of space. So I don't get space, understand? So now that space I be my challenge. So I dey work on am. So by God's grace, once I'm done, once I get that space, I go use for now I dey run live. So if you just join me live every morning, I dey always drop the link on my status. Now why? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Which side are you now?
I'm at Amoka.
Okay. So please call the other number because I printed a job from them. So call the number. It's going to tell you
Which other number? Did you send number to there?
the number that is going to be the recipient.
This number now, this is the number that you put as the number.
Oh, sorry. Check the second one. The second one. I made a mistake. I should have swapped it.
But you check the second one, but I cannot see that one. I can only see this one.
Okay, I'll send it to you now via SMS.
Okay.
Hey boss, how far now?